I'm gonna need to move some motor mounts here because obviously the new flywheel, clutch, pressure plate, bell housing, everything's gonna need to bolt right here. So I think what I'll do is roll this around over there and pull out the engine and transmission that's in the hot rod and sort of begin that process. And I'm not in a hurry today. I don't want to, I know it's, you know, I say, and a lot of people say, oh, I can't wait to hear it run, but I figured out a long time ago, it's a really good idea to go slow when you're figuring things out, especially when you're doing car work. So I'm gonna very slowly begin to piece things together after I pull this motor up and out of the way. Oh, the joy. Maybe a better place to sit here. I'm not going to spend a lot of time stopping to explain what I'm doing, so maybe if I could place y'all in such a way where you can kind of follow as we go along, it might be better. I'm gonna run in the house, change my shirt. This is my good David Crowder white shirt. It won't be a white shirt if I don't change it. Let's see on a little bit. Just so I can tell you what I'm doing here, I'm gonna pull this flywheel off, put my new one on. This is actually called the flex plate. It's basically a flywheel for an automatic transmission. And I'm gonna have a straight shift transmission, a small flywheel with a clutch, throw out bearing, pilot bearing, clutch plate, all the pieces and parts will be going back on this one. So let me go change my shirt. Talk to you in a little bit.